Question number 1 is percentage of oxygen in human is 63, 64, 65, 66%. And the answer is 65%. Question number 2. Dash is large regional community primarily determined by climate, biome, habitat, niche, system. And the answer is biome. Question number 3. There are dash species of organism known to science 2 million, 2.25, 2.5, 2.22 million. And the answer is 2.5 million. Question number 4. Production of identical copies of organism is called tissue culturing, cloning, pasteurization, genning. And the answer is cloning. Question number 5. Pasteurization was developed by Robert Brown, Louis Pasteur, Robert Hooke, Louis Hooke. And the answer is Louis Pasteur. Question number 6. Control through some living organism is called pasteurization, cloning, biological control, all. And the answer is biological control. Question number 7. Vaccination was discovered by Edward Jenner, Louis Pasteur, Joseph Lister, Robert Brown. And the answer is Edward Jenner. Question number 8. Isolating and inserting genes into host is called gene therapy, cloning, biotechnology, none. And the answer is gene therapy. Question number 9. Literal meaning of word vacca is goat, cow, horse, loin. And the answer is cow. Question number 10. Total number of bioelements are 13, 14, 15, 16. And the answer is 16.